Whoa! I think that guy needs help. Try to help him out. You need help? Yeah, it's crazy. I'll try pushing you, bro. Are you on winter tires? All weather? Okay. I think. Holy shit. No. I'll give you the push, and then probably it'll work.
What I might do is I might. So I live there.
Okay, got you.
I live there in the corner, not this one, the next house.
Right.
So what I might do is I might just park it here and leave it.
Gotcha. But we can try. I'll push you.
You can drive and I'll push.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on, boss.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
I just want to push it backwards. I don't know. What do you think?
We can try forward first, and then. All right. Ready? Like we'll try backwards. Oh wow, that's crazy.
Can I just go get my gloves? 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
My gloves are there, yeah.
I'm gonna look for some wood to put underneath the tires. Yep. Holy crap! Look at this, guys. It's crazy. What the heck? So as long as there's no, okay, there's no nails, should be good. All right. There's another one. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, no nails. Good. Okay. Hopefully it works. Holy, it's crazy.
Man, I'm from England, yeah, and I've never experienced it.
I know, right? Well, welcome to Alberta. I think we'll try this one for now, and then. Okay, got you. All right. All right. Whew. Ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, someone's here to probably help us. All right. Hold on. All right. I think we got that.
You know what? I've never seen anything like this. I've seen. I was born in this.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
So, mate, I've seen the hail, obviously now, and then the snow as well.
I know.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
All right. Yeah, no worries, bro. Whoa.
Is this storm today? Was it just one off, or is it going to happen during the week?
Well, just today. Yeah, just today.
One off today. Move it. Don't get rid of the sun. That's fire.
All right.